Hello and welcome to this session on checking for blue math of flat and curved surfaces. Let us now learn about checking for blue math of flat and curved surfaces.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify Prussian blue and its uses. Check blue math on flat surfaces. Check blue math on curved surfaces. Engineer's blue is prepared by mixing Prussian blue with an oily material like linseed oil. In metal working, the marking out operation is done by the quick drying stain. Both the marking out blue and the scraping blue may be referred to as engineer's blue. Prussian blue is widely used by tool makers when the concave and convex of a mold are matched during final assembly. An extremely pigmented paste applied to serve in the mating of two elements is known as blue matching. Blue matching process is compulsory for starting production operations. Now, let us learn how to check blue math on flat surfaces. First, check and clean the workpiece and reference plate. Use the soft bristled brush to clear away dirt and then wipe over both the reference plate and the workpiece with a cloth. Place a small amount of spotting ink and spread it out completely on the reference plate with a small roller. Place the workpiece on the inked area of the reference plate. Rubbing. Then, move the workpiece around within the inked area. The last step of the process is to remove the workpiece from the inked area. A false rub is one that may give an inaccurate impression of where the high spots are on a workpiece. As the workpiece is dragged off the side of the reference plate, the spotting ink is rubbed off some areas and pushed onto others, giving a false reading of where the high spots are. Now, let's try to understand how to check the blue math on a curved surface. The first step is about cleaning the workpiece and the master shaft. Clean the dirt by a brush and wipe using a cloth. Apply spotting ink to the master shaft and use the roller to spread it out over the surface. Carefully place the inked master shaft into the bearing. Rotate the shaft in the bearing and remove the shaft from the bearing. Notice the blue math is spread over the entire curved surface.
To recap, we have learnt to check for blue math on flat surfaces, to check for blue math on curved surfaces, its applications, the process followed before conducting any type of scraping operation. So that's all about checking for blue math of flat and curved surfaces. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.